Okay, you all know that uh, I have a large studio, but I have managed to fill it up and make it complete and utter mess. This is very embarrassing. This is my laundry room where I do store shipping supplies for my business, but I also store all sorts of other odds and ends of paper and stuff. I have way too much stuff, obviously. The floor of the laundry room has now got a path. There's just stuff piled everywhere. One of the reasons for making this video is because I have decided I cannot go into the new year of 2022 with it looking like this and trying to deal with it like this. So I am making this video, and I am going to make subsequent videos as I clean, hopefully, um, showing you my progress. I hope. I I cannot tell you. Sorry about how dark that is. The camera decided that window was the right thing to do. That one shelf there in the middle, that's all Stampin' Up! Stamp sets. That's not all my stamps. I don't need that many stamps. I don't use that many stamps. So I will have to think about getting rid of some things. I just have made such a big mess. If you look up high on towards the ceiling on the right, there's a bookshelf up there that hubby built me. This is my sewing table. Can't use it because it's piled. Those purple drawers are map drawers. They're not very deep, but they do have a lot of stuff stored in them. That's where I store most of my beads. This is the corner I intend to attack first. I haven't been able to step in that corner or open that cupboard for months, years, I don't know. It's ridiculous. It's just a complete mess. Now, there's empty spaces up there, but I got stuff down, and because all that stuff is piled in front, I can't get to that, so I can't put it back. Now, this side of the room doesn't have any shelves up at the top, but the end and the side with the windows all has shelves up top. I went that way because with all these windows, there are 8 windows in this room. With all these windows, I have no walls to put things on, so things just were piling up. Obviously, can't sew. Sewing machine's not even covered up like it should be. Keep the dust out of it. There's another little bookshelf in this corner. The door to the laundry room's there to the left. My big goal is to get everything off the floor. That's my big goal. See how the shelves are up top? I have lots of books for making junk journals. Oh, that's the fan going around. Sorry, guys. I didn't realize it was going to do that. I love this room. I love this room. But it's all wood paneling, wood, the ceiling's wood, the floors are hardwood oak paneling. And this room has to serve multiple purposes because I do make beads and use this room to make beads. And that little turquoise table to the left right there that my tea bottle's sitting on is where I sit and work to sell my beads. Okay, we're going to look at the floor again. Look, there's another spot where the floor is so covered with stuff that you cannot step up there. I can't get to that shelving unit to put things away. Now, my bead table there on the right is relatively clean because before we went on our big trip this last spring, I cleaned it off big time. I couldn't stand it anymore either. So I did manage to get it relatively clean. It's clean enough to work, and because I'm, I have to work there, so underneath that table doesn't have a lot of junk piled under it. And that cabinet is full of glass, so then there's all this mess. That stuff avalanches all the time because I just don't seem to be able to keep it clean. That's where I make my videos. And I did have that sorted out too, but it's all a mess again. And this table right here that I make my videos on, that table is 4 foot by 8 foot with all the other stuff on the other end. And it just seems to get piled up. It's a huge, messy pile. And there's stuff under all that table. I have storage boxes under the table. So here's the plan. The plan is to choose one space, one corner, and clean it up. And we were discussing this online when we were live the other day, and Lisa is going to post a video tonight as well, so you can find one on Lisa Conway's channel. And Brittany Linger, we know for sure, is going to play along. She's going to post a video on her channel. So take a look. These are going to be the videos that try to keep us going, making us clean this mess up. Thanks for watching.